All right, so we're going to show you how to fix a sticky button. This one is fine, but it appears that you have a problem with this either being difficult to push in or difficult to get off. So we're going to go over really quick how to fix that. It's really easy, won't take long at all. All you need is the TravelScoot toolkit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and something to cut off a little piece of plastic. All right, so we're going to use a 5mm and a 3mm Allen wrench. We're going to use the 3mm Allen wrench on the bell, if you have it on there. This just comes off really quick. Once that's off, we're going to come underneath and we're going to undo the on-off switch. Next, we're going to grab the largest Allen wrench and unscrew the brake. Once we've done that, we're going to move everything to the inside. From here, we're going to grab our Phillips head, and there are 3 screws on the on-off switch. We're going to undo those. Just make sure you don't lose them. And as long as you have everything loosened up and towards the center, you should have more than enough room to remove all 3 of these. Okay, so now that that is off, we're going to pull out that piece there. And you'll see that there are these two notches. Okay, we don't really need those. So we're going to cut off both sides right there with our clippers and then put it in. And what I like to do is I like to test it to see if that fixed the issue. If it didn't, then you didn't cut off enough. Just go back in, remove this, and cut off the remaining parts that are sticking out. And then you do everything in reverse. We're going to put these back on. And I like to just get them started. You don't have to tighten it all the way at first, just get all of them in there and then tighten down. All right, now that's tight. I'm going to bring everything in. I'm going to align those up so that way they're not, one's not down or up. We just want to make it look good. I'm going to grab again my 3mm. Tighten that up. And then 5mm is the largest one. And you're good to go. That's fixed.